So as well as just launching the new Nokia 6.2 and Nokia 7.2 smartphones, HMD Global has kept us tech hacks really busy by revealing 3 new and very different feature phones, including the incredible value Nokia 110, the super rugged Nokia 800 Tough, and finally a revisioned version of the classic flip phone, the Nokia 2720 Flip. I went hands-on with this affordable trio of feature phones ahead of the IFA 2019 launch, and here is my full hands-on review with all 3 of them. And for more on the latest and greatest mobile tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! So let's start with the fresh new Nokia 110, which will cost just $20 when it's launched globally mid-September. Still waiting on a UK price for this bad boy. This is a step up from the most basic entry-level Nokia feature phone, the 105, which allows you to stay connected, and that's about it. The 110 costs just a couple of quid more, but it also plays music, allows you to blast through some simple games, and it even has a basic camera slapped on the back for taking simple shots. That dinky plastic shell is so compact it will basically fit anywhere, and yes, I do mean anywhere. It's incredibly light, and it feels rugged enough that you can basically probably hurl it across the room, and I doubt any damage will be done. As far as colours go, it's available in blue, purpley pink or black, so a reasonable little selection to begin with. You get a teeny little colourful screen, which is perfect for browsing your KaiOS interface. You've got all of the apps that you would expect slapped on there, including all of your messaging. The likes of WhatsApp are now supported, and Facebook, and all of that shenanigans. As far as your music goes, you can slap up to 32 gigs of your digital tracks on there using a memory card, or you've got a basic FM radio on there as well, and HMD reckons you get 27 hours of playback from a single charge. Nice stuff. And of course, you've got your usual selection of basic games, including Doodle Jump, some football efforts racing games, and of course good old Snake. They're still all stupidly addictive despite their inherent crapness, and yes, they do boast those brilliant sound effects that will absolutely drive everyone else on the bus completely batty. And of course, yes, the camera is very, very basic at best. This thing is basically just to be used to take quick snaps of your kids or your pets or whatever, and to be using them as profile pics in your contacts list. That's probably about the limit of its functionality, but still a nice to have. Now, in the past couple of years, HMD has sold a bugger load of classic Nokia reimagined phones. So first of all, of course, you had the iconic 3310, and that was followed up swiftly by the beautiful yellow banana phone. And now in 2019, HMD has reinvented and relaunched the Nokia 2720, now called the Nokia 2720 Flip. That foldable design means you have an impressively compact device, not a dissimilar sort of size to the Nokia 110, despite the much bigger display. You have a choice of 2 colours, black or white. Sadly, no bright yellow efforts here just yet, which is a bit of a shame. There on the front, you've got a dinky 1.3-inch display which shows you any waiting notifications, call information, and so on. When you want to actually use the phone or answer a call, you can flip it open with your thumb, and it's a very satisfying action indeed, although not quite as easy as it was a decade ago before I f***ed myself with RSI. Inside, you'll find a nice bright colourful 2.8-inch screen, and this again proves perfectly good for browsing a bit of KaiOS, playing games, and so on. One of the good things about the Nokia 2720 Flip is its accessibility features. You've got nice large keys inside which are easy to press. It supports large icons and the likes of that as well, and you even get an emergency ICE key on the side which messages or calls up to 5 pre-assigned contacts when pushed, or alternatively it can be used as a Google Assistant key if you don't want that ICE functionality. That's right, you've got full Google Assistant support thrown in here on the Nokia 2720, and of course the likes of WhatsApp, Facebook, and everything as well. And for getting online, there is full 4G connectivity here too, although I'd definitely stick to the basics on this thing. As far as the battery life goes, no worries there either. 27 days of standby time should see you through quite nicely. And yes, the Nokia 2720 Flip does of course have a rear camera. It's a basic 2 megapixel effort as usual with an LED flash, so fine for your simple snaps. The Nokia 2720 Flip will be available from September, and it will cost you €89. Now, last up in the feature phone lineup for IFA 2019 is the Nokia 800 Tough. It's basically a super rugged handset. This bad boy is IP68 rated, so it can be submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for around 30 minutes or so, and it'll also survive up to almost a 2-meter drop onto a hard floor. It's fully military STD 810G certified. So this thing is basically designed for outdoor enthusiasts who go rock climbing for fun, anyone who works on a construction site, and people who get so frustrated at stake that they end up hurling their bloody phone against the wall. There's also an anti-slip cord, so you're unlikely to drop it anyway unless you're a proper butterfingers, while the loop at the bottom can be used to strap it up. The Nokia 800 Tough is available in bog standard black or this funky desert design, which I rather like. It comes with the same KaiOS interface as the other feature phones mentioned here, complete with the usual WhatsApp, Facebook support, etc, etc. And there is a whopping 43 days of standby time as well, the longest of any Nokia phone available right now. You'll be able to pick up the Nokia 800 Tough from early October and it'll cost you €109. So that right there is my roundup of the fresh new Nokia feature phones revealed at IFA 2019. Go check out all of my other IFA 2019 coverage, lots of other smartphones and other sexy tech released, including a couple of Nokia smartphones as well, the 6.2 and the 7.2. And for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do box subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers everyone, love you!